The LG V20 user here, and today I'm doing a video about the iPhone 12 Pro Max for Crooked Wireless. So the iPhone 12 Pro Max is in here at Crooked. Um, so yeah. So if you guys switch to Crooked Wireless, y'all guys can get the iPhone 12 Pro Max $100 off. We're gonna switch to Crooked and bring the number over to Crooked as well. So that is pretty cool. So it's available in 128, 256, and 512 bits of storage. So the 128 gigabyte version is $999, $999. 256 gigabyte version is $1099, $999. And then the 512 gigabyte version is $1299, $999. Alright, that's if you switch the number over quicker. Okay. So current customers are not available for that are not current customers are not current customers are not eligible for the offer, so for the customers only. So the iPhone 12 Pro Max is available in 3 colors of graphite, gold, and blue there, right? So that's why I'm trying to tell you guys will have the natural earpiece transmission camera. Power button will be on the left side of the phone. The button keys will be on the left, along with what's the left switch right here. That's back in the iPhone 12 Pro Max. It's a triple camera system. Camera flash, Apple logo on the back. And then what comes with the box is the iPhone 12 Pro Max is a iPhone 12 Pro Max and a USB-C to Lightning cable, and that didn't charging port this year, so yeah. So it says here iPhone 12 Pro Max 5G to download Lord 12 MB and stream HDR video. Lord's 6.7-inch lower and XDR display. Ceramic shield with 4 times better drop performance. Incredible low-load photography with the best pro camera system on the iPhone. And 5 times optical zoom range. Similar W Vision video recording, editing, and playback. Net mode portraits and next level AR experiences with the LiDAR scanner. Powerful A14 bionic chip and new MagSafe accessories for easy internet and faster wireless charging. For intuitively spectacular, for indefinitely spectacular possibility, right? So the iPhone 12 Pro Max has a big ass screen, 6.7 inches Super Retina XDR display, ceramic shield tougher than any smartphone glass, 5G for super fast downloads and high quality streaming, A14 bionic chip, the fastest chip ever in a smartphone. Apple says that every fucking year. They say it every year that their chip is the fastest in a smartphone. Pro camera system with 12 megapixel ultra wide angle and telephoto cameras, 5 times optical zoom range, 9mm deep fusion, Smart HDR3, Apple Pro Raw 4K W Vision HDR recording. Also the LiDAR scanner for improved AR experiences. Night mode portraits, 12 megapixel true depth front camera with night mode 4K W Vision HDR recording. Industry leading IP68 water resistance. Supports MagSafe accessories for easy attach and faster wireless charging. iOS 14 with redesigned widgets on the home screen, on the app library, app clips, and more. There we go. Faster for 5G speed, A14 bionic, the fastest chip in this smartphone, and a pro camera system that takes low-load photography to the next level with an even bigger jump than iPhone 12 Pro Max. Alright. A design placed right to the edge. The Super Retina XDR display gives edge-to-edge for ceramic shield, which has 4 times better drop performance. So It looks like the iPhone 5 on like the size of it. It's thicker than last year's iPhone. It's thicker. It is as thick as the iPhone 5. But actually, this has better internals and everything else. It looks like the iPhone 11 from last year. It looks like the iPhone 11 Pro Max from last year. But it has the thickness of the iPhone 5. So it's like two iPhones in one. So if you guys like the design of the iPhone 5 in terms of like thickness, this is the iPhone 5 you usually get right here. Hello 5G, super fast, super low latency, so you can get faster downloads, better quality video streaming, more responsive gaming, and real-time interactivity there. So good enough. A14 Bionic chip that pushes what's possible. Introducing the first 5nm chip in the industry, which means more speed, more power, and more efficiency. So that's nice. We have the LiDAR technologies thing here. AR at the speed of light. LiDAR creates accurate depth maps in nanoseconds, so objects are placed instantly and more accurately in AR experiences. A day for night mode. Night mode feels wide and ultra wide, and it's even better at capturing natural color and dim light. The new wide camera captures 27% more light. Dolby Vision recording 60 times more color. Wow. 10-bit HDR recording makes video more lifelike. You can easily edit, watch, and share Dolby Vision videos too. First camera to ever record in Dolby Vision. AirPlay lets you stream 4K Dolby Vision video to your Apple TV or Smart TV. There's nothing like iPhone, easy to use, simple and intuitive. Simple and intuitive, so it's easy to get around with just a tap or swipe. Smart performance, Apple design chip for speed, power efficiency, and intelligence in everything you do. Durable and retains value, and that is true. But the iPhone lasts forever, and their value lasts forever as well. iPhone is built to last and hold its value longer than other smartphones, and that is fucking true. And like you can get the iPhone today, and you can get the iPhone 12 Pro Max today, and you will have updates for 5-6 years down the road. So that's one good thing about iOS. They update their products for 5-6 years. So that's a win. So you can have an old ass iPhone and still get updates. Pretty cool. Protect your privacy. Every aspect is designed to keep your information private and secure. So you can compare the different iPhone models here. They got the iPhone 12 Pro, Pro Max, and 12 here. They got the Mini here. So you can compare the iPhones and see which one's right for you, of course. So if you guys want a big ass iPhone, the iPhone 12 Pro Max is the one for you. If you guys want a compact iPhone, the iPhone 12 Mini is for you. So you have choices there. So yeah. MagSafe accessories snap on a magnetic case, wallet, or both. A new ecosystem of accessories for effortless attachment and faster wireless charging. With endless ways to combine, there's a mix to match any style. Apple Care Plus, so if you guys get an iPhone, get Apple Care Plus, it'll save your ass in the long run. Expert support, extended coverage. Apple certifies service 24/7, priority access to support, repair and replacement coverage. Apple Music, lose yourself in $1 songs. Stream $1 songs, ad-free, download your favorite tracks, play them offline, so it's pretty nice. Accessories now, you guys want to get accessories here, they have a couple of accessories here, like cases and stuff like that. But if you guys want to get accessories for your iPhone 12 Pro Max, go to Amazon and get your accessories on the iPhone 4 Pro Max on Amazon. So there you guys have it. The iPhone 4 Pro Max is gonna have a quicker wireless. So if you guys put your number early quicker wireless, you can get the iPhone 4 Pro Max $100 off at the original price. So that's pretty cool. That's for new customers only. Yeah, you guys have the iPhone 4 Pro Max now available at quicker wireless. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. It helps me out a lot. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.